Tamara Basic Tees here again, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a naughty schoolgirl skirt with pleats. I have already cut out my sewing piece, and I'm going to sew the front and the back of the waistband or the hip band, depending on where you wear your skirt. And I'm just going to sew the two pieces together with a serger stitch. This pattern piece would be a cut 2, so just do a quick stitch. And that's it for that. Now the next thing we do to put the schoolgirl skirt together is we're going to fold it. This is the waist piece. You put the end of it on your pattern piece that you folded. Mark with a straight pin, fold over the straight pin, pin the pleat a 1/2 inch or more according to your preference, and repeat. So you've pinned all your pleats in, and now you're going to go in and serger stitch these pieces together. So you're going to lift up your pressure foot, put it underneath. When I feed it through, I kind of push the pins back a little bit to make sure that the pleat's out and the serger stitch picks up everything. So I'm just going to take these pins out as we go along. So now you're finished sewing all those pieces together, so just cut it off, the string off the end of the serger. So it's going to look like this. So measure these two sides together, lift up on the pressure foot, and stick those in there. Push them kind of a little bit far back, because sometimes with a serger it will go uneven unless it's pushed pretty far back. And then I'm going to take the two areas that I serged together and make sure that they meet up before I start my stitch. So I know that's kind of like a guide point as to where I'm going to go with the serger. And then match up the bottom. We've moved to the zigzag stitch or a cover stitch machine. So we're going to hem. I usually hem everything about a 1/2 inch. Now that you have your skirt all hemmed, this could be a zigzag stitch. It doesn't have to be this cover stitch once again. I usually like to go through and cover stitch the pleated piece to the top band that would go around your hips or your waist. It just makes it flat and a nicer pleat. So you're going to go through and you're going to sew that all the way down, all the way around the skirt. And kind of adjust and tuck the pleats in as you go so that they lie flat instead of not moving around and being all cockeyed. This would be in the straight stitch machines. I usually put a straight stitch in mine just to finish it off. So this end right here where the serger stitch came through, it's the top of the waistband. I usually just tuck this chain in from the serger and fold it over, and I just sew back and forth and just kind of seal that stitch. And then cut off your extra threads, and then your skirt is finished. This is what your mini schoolgirl skirt looks like. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask me and I'll answer to the best of my ability. Don't forget to shop at basictees.com. Stay sexy!